Hello guys, so today it's a special vlog. I have with me a special guest from out of the country. He's here by chance and we've met by coincidence. So today I am hosting Pedro from Brazil and I'm taking him to Rangir Mandir. This is Pedro.
Coincidence don't exist. It's the universe helping.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take Pedro to Rangir Mandir. He's just for one day. He came today morning 5 a.m. and I'm driving him today in Sagar. I'll show him around and then tonight he'll be leaving. So we have very less time. So let's get the video started. Hey. Cities. So by Narendra Modi, Sagar is selected as one of the 100 cities in Sagar, which is supposed to be the smart city. So they are doing a lot of development. It needs to be developed. Means these cities need to be developed.
Nice.
So to get nominated, you had to people had to do a lot of voting and stuff. So I mean, there are many good things that are happening, like you said about the paintings on the road. These are done by the smart city people. And there are good stadiums. I'll take you to a very newly built sports stadium. It's right here. So they've constructed. So smart city people do a very good. They build good roads. They build good systems like that.
Nice. It's interesting because my professor has another student from PhD that finished 5 years ago, and he studied also the smart cities, but he was studying Chennai.
Chennai, oh yeah.
Yeah.
That's a big one. That's a big one.
Yeah, and he went also to Mendaleka. It's a Adivasi village.
Okay.
That they take 20 years to decided if they were extractors of nature or collectors. And after 20 years, they decided to be only collectors because to not hurt nature, because nature is a part of themselves, and as a teacher and as a mother also.
I see.
So it's interesting how the ancient and the modern cities and smart cities are together.
Oh, I see. So your friend went there to decide whether they are collectors or extractors.
Yeah, not my friend. The village
only
itself.
decides themselves.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Because it has to be unanimous.
Yeah.
And only one family died, and another one was convinced.
Oh.
So it takes 20 years to decide.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
So it's like a total change in lifestyle when it comes to being an extractor or collector.
Yeah. Because you are only taking what nature gives you.
Oh.
You don't hurt nature.
You don't mind.
Surya Namaskar.
Oh yeah.
Oh, Namah Shivaya.
This is a very famous Hanuman temple.
Oh.
We come here also.
Hanumanji.
Yeah. It's a big little big campus.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Now we are moving out of the city. We're going to civil lines, the more modern area, I would say. So we're gonna get our car washed, and then we're gonna eat something, and then we'll go. Yeah.
Nice. Oh, Namah Shivaya.
So we are. Huh? Laga do. We are giving a car for cleaning at the station. We are in civil lines. We have a good garden also here. You can do yoga. But we're gonna go eat, and then we're gonna do yoga there. We're gonna clean the vehicle, and we'll be back. Yeah, not many people are used here for vlogging. I also don't vlog here much. If you do, they'll come. They'll be super interested. People are very nice. They'll most probably be with you,
Yeah, it was interesting when I was in Elora Caves in Ajanta. And they said, "Are you a YouTuber?"
Yes,
I was
Ah.
taking a lot of pictures
I see.
for my research.
Yeah. That guy is making chai, but he has the previous chai in a jug stored. So what we say in our family, we never, if you are boiling milk and sugar and together, it's gonna create some kind of chemicals. It's not gonna be good if you store it. You have to take it immediately. That's why if you ever feel like having tea, but you don't wanna spoil up your digestive system, just take it without the milk, the black tea, green tea, or something like that. You can have sugar, you can have honey, whatever you want, but not the already made tea from 1 hour ago. So it's gonna be definitely cause you acidity. If you wanna just stay fit. So this is like a fancy place during the evening. It's completely full of students. We can have. I think this is
University is nearby.
University is this way. We'll go from there only. There we have more locality. We have university from there. We'll go from the top, and I think we'll take a round of the university only. Okay. Not a very like a big vlogger or something, but what I've learned is you just don't look in other people's eyes. You just talk to the camera and just keep speaking. If you want more gadgets, you can have your mic, keep a camera far away. You do your yoga and stuff, and just a mobile is also fine. You don't need anything else. Just take a small stand or something and just keep talking. Talk your heart out, because most of the time you're alone and you need to talk to somebody, right? If you don't, then you'll feel a little bit like everything is inside you, stuff like that. Yeah. This is my friend's bakery. It's and the Foodie Monk, the restaurant also. Yeah. So if you vlog, you'll mostly let your heart out, you'll feel better, and then you'll have everything recorded, because you have like a limited amount of space in your brain to store everything for the day. Like most of the things we'll forget. That's what I think. If I went for 15 days,
remarkable.
yeah. Then these videos will come into action. And if it's like for you and your family, this is what I make vlogs for. This is for me and my family, like my future me and my family. If other people are enjoying it, then that's very good. Yeah. What do you think this car wash cost? In rupees. Just the outer part. They're just washing the outer part with the shampoo and they'll clean it and they'll wipe it.
300?
No, it's 150 rupees.
150?
Yeah, and if you're regular here, they'll charge only 100 rupees. But I don't come regularly. I wash my own car, so that's they'll charge. एक कितना 150 रुपए लगता है ना? 150. All right, so our car is ready. It looks very new. It's just getting what do we say? It's getting dried. It's wet, very wet. It will take like 5 more minutes and then we are ready to go. Yeah. 150 rupees only.
So I was reading in the Vastu Shastra book.
Yeah.
It's about the architecture of Indian culture. And then there is the tamas, that is the inertia.
Negative energy, yeah? Tamas?
Not necessarily negative, because it also has this purpose, has
Okay.
this to balance.
Okay, yeah. To balance positives and negatives, you could say. You
Yeah,
can
it's
say.
not necessarily negative.
Yeah.
It's about movement. Like the Rajas is more movement, and Tamas is inertia, no movement, and Sattva is balance of them. And in Vastu Shastra there is the shapes. So the circular shape is the inertia, because people tend to lay down on circular spaces. And then the octagonal is like Rajas, because it has a lot of points to walk. And the square is the Sattvic. So it's the balance of the shape.
Oh, I see. So if I'm gonna build my house in future, if it's a square, it's even better.
Yeah, I mean, each one of these has its own characteristics. And like, for example, the temple is better to see to be in a square. The house is better like I have to check on the book, but maybe it's like octagonal.
Okay.
And then like places of inertia is better to be in a circle.
I see. So you have this additional information. वो क्विड खड़ी है क्विड हाँ चेंज है ना आपके पास 150 यू अंडरस्टैंड हिंदी काउंटिंग नो
No.
उनको बता तो दिया बट हिंदी में सिखाना पड़ेगा I'll have to
Brazil.
Brazil
La 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 la.
Okay. We have 350 back. Thank you.
धन्यवाद. हर हर महादेव. Om Namah Shivaya. Shambho Shankara.
People are very much interested. If you just talk to them, they'll be like super.
Wow, a new car.
You car. Like it's better to clean because at night, there's going to be a lot of cars coming in.
Oh, okay. That was the best time.
Yeah. So this is the city, more city life, but we'll be turning this side towards the university, and we'll buy from fruits for to eat on the way,
Yeah.
and yeah, we'll take it from that side. We'll park our car here. 1 kilo आप संतरे कर दो. 1 kg is fine. Yeah. It will get, I think, कितने pieces आएंगे? 6-7 pieces.
Yeah.
1 किलो कर दो. पके वाले केले नहीं है क्या? पके यार वो वैसे वाले यार जो चिट्टे चिट्टे वाले. So you know the bananas which have dots, which are old, like these are, the bears are ripe now. They taste better. So
Oh.
I usually eat bananas which are ripe, not like which are like fresh. They don't have any.
Like green.
Yeah, green and yellow, full yellowish. No, I don't
Yeah.
eat those.
Oh, okay.
You always eat the ripe ones. Sometimes they're bad, but if you get the good ones, they're very sweet.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to like take a risk. If it's if it has insects or it's not, it is too ripe, then you just remove that part and eat it like that. 1 kg of tangerine and चिट्टे वाले केले नहीं है ना भैया आपको? वो चाहिए थे यार, अभी खाना था ना तुरंत.
सब तुरंत की खाए वाले हैं.
अरे यार ये कच्चे कच्चे से लगते हैं.
एक पहले खा के देखो, पसंद आ जाए.
You wanna have one? We'll have half. एक आप तोड़ के दे दो.
कोई सा भी तो खा जाओ आप. अच्छा लगे.
We'll have one. If it tastes good, then we'll buy it. Otherwise, no.
Okay.
Taste. What are we doing? Testing. If it tastes raw, then we won't buy it. If it's good, okay. ये कर दो. 6 कर दो.
The green box.
केले कैसे दिए?
50 रुपए की 12.
50 के 12. 25 रुपीज़, 80 रुपीज़. ठीक है. एक ही में रख दो ना. हाँ चलो 2 दे दो. एक में हम लोग कच्चा रख लेंगे. जस्ट फोल्ड इट. 5 डिस्काउंट. 5 रुपीज़ डिस्काउंट.
Oh, Namah Shivaya.
ओम नमः शिवाय.
Dhanyawad. This is so funny. It's interesting because my cousin was saying to me, "Oh, you should record the videos," and now we are doing.
We're doing recording the videos. So we'll keep this at the back.
Okay.
You can eat if you want. How is the weather in Brazil so compared to India?
It's interesting. Like after talking about the weather, talking about like population and territory.
Yeah.
So India is like 1/3% of 1/3 of the
Population?
Brazil. No, 1/3
Size.
of the territory.
Okay.
The size.
Okay.
And has 6 times more people than Brazil in a 1/3 territory. So this is why.
So Brazil has more people, 6 times more people.
India has 6 times more people.
Oh, I see.
And Brazil is 3 times bigger than India.
Oh, so Brazil is bigger but has less people.
Exactly.
And India is less geographically low and has more people.
Exactly.
Yeah.
This is why the Kumbh Mela and the crowded place happen here. And about the weather, for example, Brazil and India looks like a triangle position.
Yeah.
Like if you look at the map.
Yeah.
And for example, the small part of India is on south.
Yeah.
And is the hot.
Coastal area. Yeah. Humid.
And hot place. Like in the north, the Himalayas, and so it's cold.
Cold. Yeah.
Brazil is the opposite. The small part is on south and it's more cold.
Oh.
And the
You have mountains or what?
yeah, we have a lot of mountains and
I see.
like plains and
I see, but not like not as high as Himalayas.
no.
But
Himalayas is the biggest of
biggest,
the world.
yeah.
I mean, what I'm trying to say is,
Yeah.
Brazil south is like small
Yeah.
in territory
Yeah.
and it's cold.
Yeah.
In the north is bigger, and it's the Amazon forest
Oh.
and the northeast. So there is a lot of forest and also illegal mining, illegal
I see,
wood
I see.
cutting, and
Yeah.
all of that.
In the forest.
Yeah, exactly.
In the north side. North
Yeah.
and northeast.
North and northeast is more about the beaches, and it's called northeast. It's the Caatinga vegetation.
Ah.
It's different from the rainforest,
I
the
see.
Amazon forest, as for example.
I
Yeah.
see, I see.
So it's interesting how they both has this triangular shape, but in a different way of. The India most of part is in cold,
Yeah.
and Brazil most of the part is in hot place.
I see, I see.
Like that.
So I mean, it's the air and stuff is like must be less pollution, no? Must be not a lot.
Yeah, like in India, the big cities has a lot of pollution.
Yeah.
And the small cities.
I see.
And it's interesting because like the data from India.
Alright guys, so while talking, actually we realized that we are very late. It's 5:05 now, and we saw the sunset on the weather app. It says 5:43. So I'm expecting that by 5:40 it will be already dark, or maybe at 5:30 only. So we are almost there. We still have 12 kilometers to go, yeah? We are driving as fast and safe as we can. Alright guys, so it's 5:19, we have reached and the sun is about to set. I think we'll see the sunset on the way. We are just having some kind of, snacks, yeah, fruits before the trek. And you already see monkeys coming. I think saw your banana. Monkey there, monkey here. So you like the place? You says it's connected to the nature.
Amazing place.
Yeah, the monkey already sees you. He's going to come after either the gimbal or the banana. It's still recording.
Yeah, I love this place. It's like river, mountains, forest, nature.
Yeah.
So amazing.
We're gonna... Yeah, you can take it.
Look at these guys. The monkeys, sunset. And the Shakti Pita is here. The places of Sati that fall on earth. And here's the Thai, right?
Yeah?
The Thai of Sati?
Yeah, here.
Yeah.
Same place, I mean... So the monkeys are asking for a banana, you wanna give them? Gonna hand it over?
Wow.
There's a black monkey. See the black face, these are red face.
Yeah, I saw a lot of them in Aurangabad. In
These
a lot of
ones,
caves.
we call them, these ones we call them dangerous because they slap.
Oh.
They slap you very
And
hard.
the tail
but these
is-
ones, these are very sweet. So
The tail is like so big.
you can hand over. You can hand over the small one also. Oh, nahin, nahin. Nahin, no, mana kar raha hai. Let him eat. हाँ, no, nahin.
You have yours.
He's sitting in total solace. He doesn't care, yeah?
Meditation.
Right, it's a very good place to take a photo, you know?
Yeah.
Just stand, I'll also take.
And it's interesting because they canceled my bus. It was like 18 hours directly from Ujjain to Prayagraj.
Yeah?
And then I saw on the Indian map, and Sagar was in the middle.
Yeah.
And then I sent a message, and he responded me instantaneously.
आते में करते हैं आते में मंदिर हुआ है नहीं तो अंधेरा हो जाएगा इतने इतने ही मिलियो हम इतने ही रहे हैं थोड़ा इंतजार तो करो he's saying that he's shouting out his name and he's saying that please record us also record me also like that we'll be outside wait here we'll come after the sunset I told you people get very excited
Yeah.
Yeah. So what were you saying? Yeah.
No, I'm saying that you said that it was a coincidence,
Yeah.
and like how the universe acts in a way that we don't know about how the people we meet,
Yeah.
and what's the purpose of the meeting, and the purpose of the sharing knowledge
Yeah.
and sharing experience.
So that tough ride got converted into a sweet ride because you stayed here. You met me. We are going to a Shakti Peeth and a
Exactly.
lot of additional stuff that you didn't plan for.
And enjoying this moment and
Yeah.
making the trip even better.
Yeah. So this is a river. We come here. Now there's a different concept of. I'll explain it to you later. But we'll have to cross this river from there,
Wow.
and we'll have to go up. So there's very less people here. They usually come when there's a lot of mela, and there are a lot of melas here.
Mela, like Kumbh Mela, no?
Yeah, similar but small.
Okay.
So different occasions, people come here for picnic just like that. It's very nearby, no?
Wow.
It's like a picnic spot. We'll go in the mandir. You'll see a huge ground for just take your yeah. We'll go from there. So this is the river. We are unable to complete our
Temple
statement.
here.
Yeah, it's a small temple.
Yeah.
We are unable to complete our statements. Hurry. So we'll have to explore because I have also not been here. It's my first time also. Last time I came, people were coming from the top.
Oh,
Yeah.
it is like a ghat, like this.
Yeah.
Goes to
Yeah.
the river.
Yeah. So I was explaining you the concept of Jaware. So in my previous video, what I explained, we came here during the Navratri. You know Navratri, Durga Puja. On the 9 days, 9 goddesses are worshipped. So this is one. These are all goddesses. So during Navratri, on the 9th day, you basically on the first day you bow wheat seeds in your home.
Oh, wheat seeds.
Yeah, wheat. So then it grows over the 9 days. So the amount is it grows up. Like length. Let's say the length is this, or maybe even bigger. So the amount of length it has, the more prosperity you will get over the year.
Oh, nice.
So that's why, and it's the first. I think it's the first crop that has ever grown.
Oh,
Yeah. Not sure about this fact, but yeah, it is said like that. So those Jaware on the 9th day, we call it Jaware. People call it different words. This
so
is like
it's a plant.
plant. Yeah, the wheat plant only.
Okay.
It's in a small pot. It grows up. It's called Jaware. So people from their houses, including us, come here to flow them away in the river. Visarjan.
Oh, beautiful space.
Yeah.
And can you talk a little bit like how is your house connected with the temple inside?
Oh. So Sagar was founded by one of the Rajas. All this detail I read it yesterday only. So yeah, please go ahead. I'll just make a video. I'll keep talking and recording. So Sagar was founded by one of the Rajas, and the first village was Parkota. So Parkota is the place where we are living. Yeah, our house is located in Parkota. So there, the Raja, they inaugurated the mandir, or they placed the mandir in maybe 1600 AD. So that time our four grandfathers were yeah. So they were bestowed with the opportunity to take care of the mandir since we are Pandits. So since then, our 8, 9 or 10 generation, maybe we are the 9th generation that are taking care of the mandir. So that is how we have our own mandir in our house that is related to the history of Sagar. Yeah. This is the way, guys. We are also exploring on the way as we speak. I think Pedro is very happy to be here. Like
I was not expecting this.
yeah, oh, I see. Because usually if I take you to the city, it's like a normal city, shops and you know all those things. You eat something, you eat some food, you get happiness for a short period of time.
Yeah.
But here you come,
Real dopamine.
yeah, real dopamine. So there's more of stuff like this in Sagar. There's a kund. You see, what a big monkey, bro.
Wow.
Huge monkey.
Hanuman.
If he comes, we'll have to, both have to, you know, make a strategy to distract and run away.
We don't have fruits anymore.
Yeah. So, what I was saying is there's a lot of, one more place I've been to. It's called, what caves? Some caves. So since we are like going up in the mountain, no, in that cave we have to go down the mountain.
Oh.
There'll be a cave, there's a temple, proper temple, and then there's a kund where you can take baths.
Wow.
But that kund is not safe because of the snakes and all the time. So there's a very less time where you can take baths. So during the Mela time, you will see all these shops filled with, you know, stuff to buy for the temple. Oh, finally we have reached. Puppies, camouflaged. It's not that cold, huh?
Yeah.
ठीक है आंटी जी. Okay. So the board outside says there's five temples here. This is the
And here's the higher part.
yes.
Temple.
Yes. This is the old temple.
This is the Shaktipeeta.
Ma Harsiddhi Budi Rangir. Budi means old, and the younger one is over there. Let's go in. Now we won't be able to record much. I think these people live here. भैया बूढ़ी माता मंदिर पुराना मंदिर है ना? तो जो सीता माता की जो रान थी वो यहीं गिरी थी या वो वाले मंदिर पे गिरी थी? शक्तिपीठ जिससे बना है ना रानगिर, तो सीता माता बोलते सती माता की रान गिरी थी, तो यहाँ गिरी थी या वहाँ पे गिरी थी? आइडिया है आपको?
जी
नहीं पता?
पहली बार आए हैं।
अच्छा, आप भी पहली बार आए हो? अच्छा, हमें लगा आप यहीं काम है। ओके।
लेकिन सबसे पुराना जी बेल का है, वो बाद का है।
वो बात का है ना, वो बाद में नया बना है। अच्छा,
पहले तो जी
ठीक है भाई साहब।
सबसे पहले वो स्थान जो है वो तो बाद में
हाँ, इसी को कहलाता है ना, सब पूरे पुराने लोग यहीं आते थे। राइट, ठीक है भाई साहब। I was just talking to them. They told this is the oldest mandir that is built newly. You know what this is? You see a layer of coating over the floor. You know what this is?
No.
So this is basically gobar, cow dung. So they clean it and then they use as a disinfectant on the floor and to give a good view. Because of this, mosquitoes won't come. It's like that. Cow dung is very used here. If you dry it up and you make a dung cake out of it and then you burn it, it will work as a mosquito repellent. Smoke like that. Yeah. You can go and have a time. अरे अरे ये बाहर से आए हैं तो इनको हम लेके आए हैं। सागर इनका आना हुआ। ये ब्राज़ील सुना है आपने? दूसरे देश से आए, वहाँ से बहुत दूर से आए। कुंभ जा रहे हैं ये, कुंभ मेले में, तो इनको यहाँ रुकना एक दिन पड़ा तो हम फट से ले आए इनको। आई टोल्ड हिम दैट यू फ्रॉम ब्राज़ील एंड यू आर देयर फॉर द कुंभ। Do you know why we ring the bell? So, you've seen in every mandir, right? It's common. We ring it because it's like an attendance to the God that we are here.
Oh, nice.
So basically, it's an attendance bell. You can learn more about the stories. I tried asking them local, but they only know that this is the old one. Yeah. You wanna more?
Guess the time of the Shakti Peeth.
This is the entire region.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they're not very specific, but yeah. But since it's the old one, so we'll also consider this one only. That is the newly built by the government, or you can say. So, right now I have to explain everything to you so that you can imagine. If we would have come on any Mela time, then you could have seen everything. And then you would have asked me, what is this? What is this? So right now, whatever is clicking on my mind, I'm trying to tell it to you. Would you like to give him some money also? Yeah. I'll pay him. You give it to him. Since he's working.
For the drummer, you mean?
Yeah. Guys, so now we are taking a small stroll. This is the road where we can go to different villages. We are on the back side of the mandir. We're gonna go to the small gates. So now the villagers have warned us not to go very far. We haven't even worn the shoes. We're just gonna take a stroll in the village. Any kind of animals can visit us, which universe sends. Yeah, but it's very beautiful. And the wind is also the air is also very fresh.
Yeah, the sunset.
Sunset is.
The last sunlight.
Yeah. We actually landed on the right time. I mean, we came on the right time.
Yeah, perfect time. The calls, and the buffaloes.
Imagine this noise in the dark. Who's scratching what?
What is this? Oh my God!
Oh no, Shiva Babu! You wanna sit? Or you wanna do what?
Find the place to sit.
Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the scene here. This is Pedro
This is sunset.
in the sunset
This
here.
is the moon, Surya and Chandra together in the perfect balance and harmony. Om Namah Shivaya.
It's just dark. Om Namah Shivaya, and we are returning now back to the main temple. We'll have to trek down also, but luckily we came prepared. We have got torches to see our way through the little trek. Hari Om.
Shakti Pita, one of the places.
Rangir. Devi's name is Har Siddhi Mata. Har Siddhi.
Is one of the Shakti Pita,
Shakti
right?
Pit, yes.
Yeah, and Shakti Pita is one sati put flame on herself, fire on herself.
Yeah.
After the Prajapati Daksh, her father,
Yeah.
didn't invite Shiva and her for the Mahayagna.
Yeah.
And then Shiva carrying the sati on his arms was falling on 51 places on India
Yeah.
and
Picking up the pieces. Yeah.
doing the temples.
Yeah.
And doing the Shakti Pitas. And it's interesting because
Oh, we came from there.
I was thinking that I was traveling like many days in many different cities and meeting a lot of different people, and at the same time having this realization that is a process of knowing that everyone is the same, like even myself and the universe are all one, and how can we meet every person and meet ourselves and have the experience
Yeah.
of life itself. And when we are following our dharma and our path, and so the universe helps, and all the doors are open, and you know the people that you have to know, and you know the
Purpose.
the places
Yeah.
and the purposes and the history and the culture,
Yeah.
and how everything is connected to a higher purpose.
Yeah. Basically, it's like different body, different faces, but when they follow the dharma, they're all same soul, wandering here and there. Yeah. Soul meeting soul.
And at the same time, the infinite manifestations of nature, of life, of Purusha and Prakriti, Shiva Shakti.
Yeah. Talking to you. You take this. He was talking to you, no? The guy.
This one we can eat,
No. We have to give it to the god first.
and then we can eat.
Yes. Then he'll give something back. So we say bhog, meaning the first when you make a meal, when you make your lunch in the morning or your breakfast. Okay. Let me complete. Forget. When you have a lunch in the morning, so you give bhog to Bhagwan. Then you get prasad. You give
Bhog
bhog means the first meal the god will be given to the god. Like bhog as in after once the god has eaten, then we will eat. Yeah, like that. So this is the entry. This is the picnic spot what I was talking. She's already cooking. See, we got to see it.
Yeah.
She's cooking bati, gankad. We'll try to ask for a little food if she understands us. Because if somebody is having picnic and we would just go ask them, they'll directly ask you to sit and eat. So the monkeys banned us. So let's go inside. This is the big one mandir. People sleep here. They like basically come here to spend a lot of time. Basically, this is what we are carrying is bhog. So first this prasad we have to give it to the Pandit. Pandit will take it and he'll serve it to the goddess first. And then he will give us back. In the agarbatti also you'll have to light up 2 agarbattis. Incense sticks. You have to light it up, place there, like that. We'll do that all now. This is someone there. हो, कल्याण हो, जय 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 हो, वंदे महादेव। We have to so we have, this is, I was explaining to you, this is basically Shringar. Shringar means Devi Ji's clothes and chudis they wear, bindi, basically the makeup items or the how to get ready, those items, yeah. And then next we have this is prasad. This is the main prasad, we would say. In our case, it can be anything, sweets or anything you want. Then we have nariyal. So after every prasad,
food. That's true.
yeah. It's like a bhog I was explaining to you. It can be anything.
Yeah.
It's a lightweight this thing. Yeah. And this is nariyal. After every bhog you give, it's not complete without the nariyal. So you have to break this here nearby, and then a piece of the nariyal will be in our main bhog, like that. And then this is also the bhog only. This is sweet. This is like a food. We had agarbatti, no? They fell.
No, just give it that.
There was agarbatti, no? He didn't give it. Oh, never mind. Okay, I thought it was there.
But it's the incense.
Incense sticks, yeah. We light it up and we light up here, there or anywhere we want. Yeah. भाई लोग ये ब्राज़ील से आए हैं, ब्राज़ील देश से आए हैं, तो कुंभ मेला जा रहे हैं, तो इनको हम यहाँ पे ले आए। एक दिन ये आज भी सागर में रुके हैं, आज सुबह से, तो इनको हम यहीं ले आए सीधा मंदिर में, मेन मंदिर में, हरसिद्धि माता मंदिर। तो वेरी ईगर। कुछ बोल दो, क्या बोलते हो तुम लोग? हरि ओम, ओम नमः शिवाय। नर्मदे, ही इज टॉकिंग अबाउट, या, नियर नर्मदे, नर्मदे रिवर। या कुछ पूछना है? बस गुड है। यू वांट टू आस्क देम एनीथिंग?
How is to live here like daily this ritual?
आप में से कोई है जो यहीं रहता है या एक आध दिन रुका है यहाँ पे? नहीं, बड़े कितना रुकते हो मतलब?
एक रात पैदल आते थे।
हाँ,
एक पैदल आते गांव से।
हाँ,
एक रात यहीं
रुकते हो। They stay for one night. Not none of them are like living
Like
here.
a pilgrimage.
Yeah, like a pilgrimage. They're coming from, कहाँ से आए हो?
ढगरानी है, ग्राम ढगरानी।
कितना दूर होगा किलोमीटर में?
यहाँ से 50
50 kilometers they are here walking barefoot, नंगे पैर या जूते पैर पहन के? कुछ लोग नंगे, they some come barefoot but they have their own yeah,
यहीं खाना बनाते हैं।
हाँ, they make their own food. अभी if कोई बना रहा होगा तो अपन दिखा देंगे इनको. If somebody is cooking their meal for the night because they're gonna stay here entire night until tomorrow morning, तो वो we can see that as well. ऐसा ठीक है, चलो देवी जी की जय जय। ऑलराइट, ठीक है दोस्तों, चलते हैं आगे। बाय बाय। विल टेक अ परिक्रमा, ओके, यू कैन विजिट दैट एज वेल। Check the monkey. He is very notorious. He sees better than us, yeah? Pandit ji is calling you for Pandit ji. You can give this to the Pandit ji. Now they were everything. Yeah, everything. Yeah, lot of it. We can go in. Yeah. Or if if there's no Pandit ji, we can just touch it to the God's feet, and then we can take it back. You yourself take a little bit out of that, and we can then break the nariyal outside. Then we can, give it.
Just take one.
Yeah. कहाँ? अच्छा, बुला रहे हैं? वही तो हमें पता ही नहीं। Did you take it? He took it?
Yeah.
Oh, he took it, no problem. You still have something. Yeah. The monkey took the, क्या बोलेंगे, the मुरमुरे. Stone. You're experiencing a lot of new things, huh?
When you go your country, please tell your people. Indian people are very nice and your friend is very kind, very humble.
People from India are amazing people.
Yes, yes, yes. Not me, you.
Everyone.
No, me, you.
बलि राजा दान बिंदु महाबला क्षिमाचल मचल सर्ववादा ब्रह्मत्व धंधान सुचारुद्र विनुष्रादिन संति न संशय।
नहीं तो अभी हर सिद्धि माता मंदिर की आरती और स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट पेड्रो इज गेटिंग. ही इज़ वेरी मच enjoying and oh shit, my car was there only. He's very much enjoying. He got chunji and he's getting touch of all the proper full day of aarti that could happen here. Now he's having tea with the Pandit ji. I'll just go quickly go and keep Chunni in the car.
Khajuraho temple.
End of my
Nice
renovation.
place, Khajuraho.
Yeah, very nice place. And then enjoying like the philosophy of yoga with the philosophy of architecture. So
Are you feeling?
amazing. It's like I never had this experience like the Pandit
Yeah.
came and
Hosted you.
hosted and take the chai and said special guest and give
Yeah.
the what's the name of this?
Shubham.
Shivan.
His name is Shubham.
So
Great
it's
experience.
difficult to put in words like the whole day.
Yeah.
Like, I mean,
Only one place. This is just
Yeah.
one place, yeah?
yeah,
We
like
haven't been to different places in Sagar and you just...
but all this was the full experience. Like even the monkey.
Monkey snatched your prasad, yeah? Hello guys, welcome back. I know we are jumping a lot. So we returned from the place. We completed our yoga session. We did a live stream for that on YouTube on my different channel. We did a full 1 hour live stream of the entire yoga session. And now we are in our car. Pedro has taken a bath, yeah? Feeling fresh now and it's time for him to leave. But we just called the bus and came to know that the bus is running 1 hour late. It's 11 now and we didn't even had the time to eat food. But now since the bus is late, we can go and me and Pedro can eat a lot of good food in Sagar. But it's very late. Usually in Sagar you don't get a lot of stuff. So all the things we'll only get like fast food and stuff. We'll try to find some roti sabzi. Yeah? Okay. Alright guys, I've got Pedro here in Foodie Monk. We have 1.5 hours. So, badhiya, all good yaar. So I bring my friend from Brazil. Yeah, so he has his bus in 1.5 hours. बस है इनकी 12:30 पे. He's going to Prayagraj, कुंभ मेला है ना? हाँ तो आज सागर आए इनको रानगिर घुमा के लाया हूँ. हाँ है यार ऑनलाइन we make videos and all those things. हाँ
Surfing, yeah.
yeah.
So how are you feeling in Sagar?
Very good. Amazing day today. We went to the Shakti Pita and
शक्तिपीठ
yeah.
और आरती के
Absolutely.
yeah.
अच्छा ये क्या खिलवाया आपको?
But क्या what do you want to eat? Heat serving.
There were menu.
Yeah. We'll sit.
मेन्यू लगा हुई है वो?
अभी हम लोग डाउट में थे if you are serving or not. मतलब आप
लगभग तो क्लोज है
Close.
लेकिन भैया के लिए तो सर्व करवा
नहीं तो वो फास्ट फूड खाना पड़ता है या तो ये. चलो. He's serving for us specially. Otherwise they close.
Nice.
Yeah. So Pedro, we are at Foodie Monk and भैया आपका नाम? Yogen Singh wants to have a review of the masala dosa. So how do you like it?
Perfect. I really enjoy it. I'm happy to be here in Sagar for one day. And
Yeah.
have this food.
And have this food here. So
Yeah.
you wanted a light food for the travel, so
Perfect food, perfect place.
it fits the food, yeah? Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hari Om Tat Sat. 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 Hari Om Namah Shivaya. Yeah, Om Namah Shivaya. Going to Kumbh Mela right now. Tomorrow arriving Prayagraj, Allahabad. And like the temple and the puja was amazing, and the whole day here in Sagar. And I'm very happy to the universe, like take your steps, take your breaths each day by day, day by day. Do the best you can, do the best is possible. Follow every action, every path, every moment, like open, and brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Take your floss.
Whatever it takes to follow the yoga practices. Huh?
Yeah, it's the sadhana.
Yeah,
sadhana.
sadhana. It was great here to host you as well in Sagar. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hari Om Tat Sat.